Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring panko. 1 cup serves 4, you can add 0.5 cup for extra coverage. Once measured, set 3 stations. Flour, beaten eggs, panko. You should pat proteins dry first because moisture prevents coating adhesion. Then season the surface. Salt and pepper adhere better pre-dredge. Dip in flour, knock off excess, then into egg. This initial sequence creates the adhesive layer that makes panko stick and stay crisp when you cook. Once coated, choose your method. Shallow fry at roughly 170 degrees 180 degrees C to get golden, or bake at 200 degrees C for 12 to 18 minutes and flip halfway. You must avoid crowding the pan because overcrowding drops temperature and makes coating soggy. Press panko gently onto the surface so it adheres without compacting. You want loft. For wet fillings, mix panko with a small amount of mayo or beaten egg to act as a binder. This prevents separation during cooking. You finish by resting fried or baked pieces on a wire rack so air circulates under the crust. This preserves crispness. Once done, serve immediately or hold briefly in a low oven. For storage, keep unused panko sealed and dry at room temperature. If the crust goes soggy, don't panic, recrisp in a 190 degrees C oven for 4 to 6 minutes, turning once. This revives texture. If problems persist, check oil temp or binding technique to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.